Hello, beautiful. Today we are going to gua sha. I am going to share with you why it is important to gua sha, the benefits, and how to do it. This will be a little bit different than what we normally do, but I really wanted to share this with you because I've been doing it and I've been loving it. Lisa D. Ligori with Simple Beauty Minerals, clean, effective, natural beauty, a smaller, more personal beauty brand. So let's do this. The gua sha is centuries years old. It is a beauty tool that has been around for a very, very long time, and it has finally hit the mainstream. I'm not sure why it took so long for us to find it, but here it is. So here's what can happen with consistent use. There's that word again, consistent. It will not be effective if you don't do it regularly, just like anything else we talk about. So with consistent use, you can improve circulation. Your skin will thus depuff. It will help reduce inflammation. It's very soothing and cooling. So if there is an inflammation, general inflammation, that will really help you feel better. It will release facial tension. So think about, your eyes where you get tense, here maybe, jawline. I don't know about you, but I clench my teeth at night. So this is really helpful for that. It will leave you with consistent use a more uplifted, brighter, healthier complexion. So let's walk through how you use it. So this is the shape that I have. There are at least one or two other shapes. This is the one that seems to be most popular, the one that I picked up, and I'm enjoying it. Probably won't venture out to any other shape, but you let me know if you have. The one I got comes in this nice fabric sort of felt pouch. It also comes with a set of basic instructions, which is nice to get you started. You can find gua sha how-tos anywhere right now. It's very popular, but I wanted to give you my take on it. So I keep it by my bedside in this little pouch. I also cleanse it before I get started. I'm just gonna give you the basics here. Here's how my logistics go. Maybe this will help you in setting up your consistent use with the gua sha. So before I use it, I keep a little towelette with some alcohol on it, rubbing alcohol, and just cleanse it because we don't want it to collect any bacteria and then bring that to your skin, right? I have mine set up by my sofa right on my desk next to it with my book and my cup of tea. And when I am watching a movie or Netflix or perhaps even reading, I then do my gua sha. It's cooling and calming. It feels very good. You can actually feel it working. It gets into those acupressure points that are really good for your body. The stone is rose quartz, which has some very healing abilities of itself. And I always pair it with my Calm Down facial oil because you want to use a facial oil as you're using it, so the gua sha glides across your skin. You're not pulling or dragging in any way. One caveat is if you're having any sensitivities in your skin, an acne flare-up, a rosacea flare-up, eczema, anything that's on your skin where you're going to be using it, and we're just talking about, neck up, chest up today, that's not a good time to use it. Let your skin settle and calm down, and then restart again, and it will help to keep your skin calmer with consistent use. You want your skin cleansed before you do your gua sha. So what I like to do is cleanse my skin, put all my lotions on and my serums on, get it fully prepped and fully done for the evening, and then come downstairs with my tea and my book or my Netflix show, whatever it is for the evening, and then I can do my beauty ritual with my gua sha. I always use my Calm Down facial oil, and oh my gosh, the smell is divine. So you're just getting this lovely, blissful aroma, all plant-based, and the acupressure of the gua sha. So you take your oil and you're just going to press it onto your skin. You want to make sure you get your eye bone here, brows, and maybe another pump for the neck. Okay, front and back, because you're going to do front and back. We're going to start with the back of the neck, and we're going to start with a notched edge. And what I want to make sure you know is that you're not going straight up and down and putting pressure. That can actually hurt after a while. So you're going to kind of lay it down like that. Okay, you're laying it down. So you'll get the hang of that. So let's start right here, the back of the neck, right at the spine, the little notched edge, and we're going to work it right at the base of the spine, up until right there at the hairline, and give a nice little pressure massage there. And kind of keep in mind, maybe do it 5 times. Every stroke you give about 5 times, and then you're going to go to the sides. Okay, so you will work your way around the sides after you get the center of the back of the neck there, and then you're going to come around to the front, and you're going to do it similar. Now, you can start at your shoulder, and again, a little pressure point right below the ear. Okay, and then you're going to make your way, and a little pressure point there. Go to the other side, you're going to make your way to the center, and a little pressure point there. So, if you have TMJ or you just clench your teeth at night, I do that, you're going to love this one. Now, you're going to use the notch edge. We're going to do this area here now, and remember, you're going to lay it down, and remember, you want the cushion of the Calm Down oil on your skin. It's excellent for sensitive skin. It's cooling and it's hydrating. It's designed for this. It's perfect. Okay, so you're going to start at the chin. You're going to, don't be tempted to do this. Even I forget that sometimes. You want to lay it down and glide it towards your ear, right at the base of the ear, a little pressure there. You're going to do that 5 times, and then you're going to go to the other side and do the same thing. Now, we're going to work this way. We're going to start at the side of the nose with the rounded or the flatter edge, and you're going to lay it down, but you're going to put a little bit of pressure here so that it goes like under the cheekbone, you know, where you put your contour. So it looks something like this, and all the way. And then remember, work out any knots that are in your face that feel a little bit wonky. Work them out a little bit, 5 times, and then the other side. All right, so now we are going to go under the eyes. Remember, this helps depuff. It moves circulation around. So we're going to go with the flatter edge, and we're going to work with this rounded curve here. So we're going to go under the eye, point, do not drag. Make sure you have enough Calm Down facial oil on so that the Gua Sha stone glides. So you're going to go right here, don't have to press very hard, all the way to this point here, and a little pressure. Okay, 5 times, 5 times. Now we are going to work the brow bone. And as you remember to make sure you have enough of your facial oil on, actually Calm Down actually helps stimulate cell renewal. So you're not just using any oil on your skin, you're getting additional benefits while you're working your Gua Sha. So you're going to take the notched edge again, you're going to put it against your brow, and you're not going to go straight, you're going to go laying it down along the brow bone, and again, pressure point. Now, between the brows, the 11s, as I like to call them, where we get those, the 2 lines right there, you're going to give it, okay, notched edge, and you're going to give it some pressure there, and just press, not too hard, and laying it flat, but like that, make sure it's gliding. And lastly, we're going to take our straight edge, laying it down, going a little bit below the 11s, and we're going to go kind of on the bridge of the nose up, doing that 5 times, and then working our way to the side. Now remember, really get a nice pressure point in there, and here, go here, and then the other side. 5 times each movement, and pressure point. Oh, it feels so good and is so healthy for you. And that's it. You have now Gua Sha'd, you have taken part of a centuries-old beauty ritual that I'm so glad it has made it to everyone now and everyone knows about it. So experiment with that. Make sure you get a Gua Sha tool. I think you'll really like it. If you're new, be sure to subscribe and make sure you're also on our customer care list. Everything, all the information is below for you to find that. I would love to get to know you. Thanks so much.